All right, hi guys. This will just be a quick tutorial on how to add your mentor role to your LinkedIn page. So first you want to get to your profile by clicking on your image and then hitting view profile. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to your experience. And here you're going to press the plus button on the right corner. And for our title, we're going to do mentor. So you can just type that in and click it. We're going to skip the employment type. And then for company name, it's Community Innovation Collaborative. It should just come up. And then we'll go ahead and skip location. You can leave this I'm currently working this role checked and then put in your start month and year for when you started with CIC. And then we're going to go ahead and skip the headline. And for industry, we're going to put nonprofit organization management. And here in an email you guys got, you should have been given the description. So you can just copy paste that in and put it here. And finally, in this media section, you can click add media, upload media, and wherever you saved your CIC mentor certificate, you just click on it, click open, and it should come up. Hit apply. And then it's uploaded. Then all you do is click save. And very slowly, if you look down on your experience, this should come up with your certificate and everything.